Howdy, it's JMCR 71795 here. I've developed a new little thing. I've got the reamers to do internal removable chokes, and I'm trying it out on a test barrel. A friend of mine asked me to make a muzzle brake for his rifle 12 gauge shotgun. So I decided to do it in two pieces. This is the insert, which goes in the barrel. You can use the commercial removable chokes if you don't want the muzzle brake when you're shooting, whatever you're shooting it. This is today's little finishing project. I've had to make stops because these are quite custom in depth and such. There's the Remington removable shotgun tap, 13/16 by 32, ultra fine, and there's a little stop that I made for that. The reamer too also has a stop. That was it. So I could only go a certain depth, and I can adjust it for the depth. In case you want, this guy that I'm making it for, and this is the test for, is purely for a muzzle brake. For testing purposes, this is the first blank. All of this is 4140 steel, chrome moly steel, just as hard as the barrel. And I needed to finish it into one barrel, my test barrel, before I can toss this on the milling machine and find top dead center, which now I can find top dead center. Now that I know top dead center, I can put this all in the milling machine, cut it flat, cut the gills, and do a set screw on the other side to make sure it always ends up top dead center, so it kills all the recoil. Anyways, thanks for watching.